Ng'aragu ni undu umwe thirikari nene ikoretwo igitangikira niguo gutigirira gutiri andu marakwa kuumana na ng'aragu. No ica ikuhi kaunti-ini ya Turkana, mundu umwe nieriga gukua kuumana na ng'aragu guku na andu makiria ma ngiri magana manana makibatara uteithio wa irio. No kuigithia tabarira-ini irahotithia o kaunti kwihunia noguo undu uria ungiteithia na kurumirira ng'aragu iria ikoragwo kuo kaunti-ini ya Turkana mahinda kwa mahinda. Riu ni mambiriirie kurima eka 546 rungu rwa tabarira ya kaitese kolioro. Minister wa utabrokia wa mahinya Eugene Wamalwa hamwe na kanju ya magavana igie ukuria ni marekinyetie mwena ucio guku gavana wa kaunti iyo Josephat Nanok akiuga ni megutigirira kaunti iyo ni yahota kwihunia.
Right now our irrigation area across the county is covering 300,000 people, about 300,000 people. So there's a lot more we can be able to do, and I think as mentioned earlier, we have to invest in water. Water. Harvesting water. We don't want huge dams costing 30 billion, 20 billion. We just need many dams.
Wamalwa augite kaunti 13 iria igumagirwo ni ng'aragu mangiigithia na makoro makirima mategweterera mbura ya kimera matingikorwo makigumirwo ni ng'aragu.
We have a plan, not just at the national level, but at the regional level through IGAD to end drought. Drought should no longer be an emergency. But with planning like this, once we are able to harvest and store our water, we'll no longer have to wait for rains. The rains have become very unpredictable. We don't know when they'll come. The short rains failed. We are still waiting for the long rains. They are delayed. But in Turkana today, we are producing food even as the rains delay.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV mohoro gitau ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.